Hey guys, we've gone over this machine. We kind of had some fun with it. We threw Anthony under the bus, rightfully so. But we've done all the work to it. We just kind of went over it, made sure all the updates, all of our current maintenance things were done, all of the drive plate, the mounts and everything. We just updated the machine so he's ready to go. And I just want to go over what we've done to it to kind of show you what we do whenever we do get one of these machines in here. And let's just kind of go over everything that we did, why we did it, and we'll just start right here with the engine. We did notice that after we pressure washed the machine, the starter would not engage all the time. It was kind of a hit and miss, and we don't like to send those out like that. We want it, anytime he hits the key, it's going to start up and run, and that way Anthony can't throw me under the bus. So we did replace the starter. We did pull the plugs out, inspected those. We checked all the throttle cable, choke cable. We always make sure that whenever we pull the choke cable up, that it has a spring return back to the off position so the choke doesn't stay engaged. We did an oil change on the hydraulic system. We did a filter change. We pulled the tires off. We installed our seal protector plates on the back side of that. We greased all of the fittings. We made sure none of the hoses had any chafing. We went through the blade bar and cleaned all this up, made sure that the slot in here for the blades was ready for the next 150 hours. We did inspect all of the bolts that are holding all of the blade bar together, all the pins, all the hydraulic hoses on this side also. Again, the greaser on the blade bar. We checked the battery, and just so you guys know, whenever we check one of these machines out, we make sure all these battery cables are tight, not touching anything. We also have a tester. We test the cold cranking amps of the battery so that if it's compromised, then we'll change the battery and make sure they're ready to go for on the job site. We also, on this machine, if you guys remember, this mounting system for this cooler and the fan was all compromised. It was broken. So this is our latest mounting system that we've installed on this, and all new bolts, all new holes in this for this the seat cover. The seat bracket. We did update the hoses on this to a hard line hydraulic hose instead of a soft return line type deal, so we know those will not ever get pinched or get kinked. We did install the correct air cleaner, made sure all that was good. We replaced this propane hose. It had some chafing on it. We just wanted to make sure that we're not going to have any propane leaks when it gets out into the field. As you can see, we have pressure washed this machine all the way around. We removed all the weights. We made sure that all the dirt and dust is out of the cooling fins on these engines. This is the lifeblood of these machines, is keeping them cool. And if you've got a lot of debris going in, sucking into this engine through the flywheel intake or the flywheel fan, if it can't push air through this engine and cool it on the heads and the cylinders, it's not going to last very long. So we got that all cleaned up. We checked everything out, and emissions were good. You guys saw that before we cleaned everything up. But we've got all this done. We're ready for Anthony to come back and get this machine and put it back to work.